Hi friends. In this video I will be showing you all
how to install Kali Lunix in PowerShell VirtualBox.
Open downloaded.exe file
And extract it.
Open folder which have been get created
And run portable VirtualBox.
Click on download installation
And wait till it get downloaded.
After completed click on OK.
And open new file which get created.
Install it now.
As you install other softwares.
After complete.
Click on finish, it will open VirtualBox.
Now here click on new.
Give any name which you want.
Select operating system.
Which you want to install. Here I will install Kali Lunix.
Give space as you want.
But it should not be low.
Otherwise your virtual window will hang. Select VDI.
Click next.
Click start.
Now select ISO file of your Windows which you want to install on VirtualBox.
If you have extracted Windows file
and want to make it ISO file, then you can comment me down.
Install it as you install any other Windows. Kali Lunix is ready to use now.
You can see all applications which are available on Kali Lunix.
That's all in this video.
If you have any doubt or question, you can comment me down.
To get daily updates about latest news and tricks,
Subscribe my channel.
@TechADR.